Alright guys, so for some reason it kind of opted out this part. So again, if you are wanting to create a Bitmoji class, I suggest you use a Google Chrome browser. I'm not sure how it works with Safari and Explorer, but I personally use Chrome because it's easier for me to access. Make sure that you are logged into your account that you want to set up your Bitmoji Classroom with. So that's foremost. Then you click the square here and go directly into slides. So since this part was actually already opted out, I've already created the slide. So this was the class that I was working on before this part got opted out in the beginning. So I'm not gonna just create a simple slide here. Then you want to clean this off, so you want a blank canvas, making it nice and clean for you to work on. Next, you want to insert the background, so you will search image and you can type in wall, floor, particular background. So this is the same background that I used in the second slide up there, as you can see. And I'm just putting that here, etc., etc. Search, and you want everything to be transparent, so you'll just simply type in whatever it is that you want in the class. So the object is to picture your classroom, or picture a classroom the way you desire it to, just a little bit. So again, it's the same thing in the second slide. Like I said, this was opt out. So second slide, it's the same thing. I'm just simply entering images. So I'll stop here and continue where the video actually cut off from. A couch to my classroom. So let's look for a nice comfy couch. This brown one looks pretty cool. So I'm going to place that here in the class. So again, you don't need this extra image space. So that can be, again, cropped out. Make it smaller so it looks like it's in the background. Now I'm thinking, let's see if I flip this, what this look horizontally. So boom, flipped it horizontally so it looks a lot better in the corner and on the floor. So I want to point out something really quick. So for your Bitmoji, make sure that it is downloaded to your Chrome extension. And once you click on it, either you would have to sign up for a Snapchat account. So I'm not sure if it actually allows you to sign up with just a login and an email. So just go ahead and sign up with a Snapchat account. You don't have to literally use it if you don't want to as a social media thingy-majigga. But you're just using it for your Bitmoji. So that's all you need it for. And so that way, once it's downloaded to your Chrome extension, you'll be able to automatically use your Bitmoji, and you just simply click and drag that Bitmoji or whatever Bitmoji you want to use to add a Bitmoji. So I'll go up here to the Bitmoji where I am and simply pose. Let's see what I get when I put in pose, if this loads. Alright, there we go. So pose would make a lot more sense than putting in lying down. Alright, so again, crop out the excess, oops, not the image, but that little black line there, bring that down. Alright, and double click, crop, we'll resize, and I want her to lay down on the couch, so let's make this a little bit more smaller so it looks a lot more realistic. Board, by just clicking the text box at the top and simply typing what you want. Hey guys, welcome. Something simple. Hey guys, welcome to art class. My name is Mrs. A. Open your books to page 5. And how you want. You can make it bigger by changing the font size. You can also change the font itself. You might want something, you know, a little funky, a little cool, whatever, and boom. Now, based on what the class is, whether you're teaching math, social studies, whatever the case may be, and you want to add things to the classroom, you might want to, okay, let's say art, transparent art, and you kind of, well, I'll add this here. But I also, what I am going to do, so I don't want to make it seem like I'm all over the place. But what I'm going to do is add in a bulletin board, so that way I can put art on the bulletin board. Now I can put this here. Oops, bring image forward. It can go to the back. And I would like to resize this image here. And so I will, you know, I can continue adding. Okay, and you want to add a link. So say if you want them to look up the Mona Lisa. Link, Control C, on the Mona Lisa itself. And then click up here, insert link. And it matches, it highlights the image and the link. So I will Control V and apply. That you kind of get the gist of things. And if you wanted to add more to these other pictures here, you do the same thing. You click on the image itself and add the link. Now, to save as a PDF, so you'll go to File and you can download PDF. Get to Google Classroom. Since I'm already here, you will do the same thing as I showed you in the beginning. You will click the you'll click the square and you will scroll all the way down to Classroom. Now to here, where I have a class set up here, Demo Teacher, Classwork, and you will create an assignment. Don't want it as an assignment, you just want it as a material, same thing. So since this is just information, I'm going to put it in as a material instead. So add, and I'm putting it in as a file because again, remember we downloaded it as a PDF. So I'm going to drag, there we go, and upload. And then you simply put in the title of what it is. You can say this is art research, whatever, and you can put in the description of what students need to do. Alright, so you can put it in as a topic, and if you don't have a topic, you can create a topic in Google Classroom, and topics help keep your Google Classroom organized. Introduction, and that's it. And you can post. But if you do not want to post and you want to actually wait for it to post, you can schedule it on a certain date that you would like it to be scheduled at a certain time. But for the sake of this video, I will go ahead and just post it now. Students are in the classroom, you can pull up the material here. So you will see my first page, and now you will see the second page. Automatically click on the Mona Lisa. It takes them to history.com, information regarding the Mona Lisa, history, facts, whatever the case may be. You don't have to be super creative to do this. Anyone can do that. That's really it, guys. I can definitely create another video speaking about how to actually get your Bitmoji to dance or move, and how kids are able to see that as well. So please let me know if this video was helpful to you. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.